we are starting the day off by going to the beach
with Chloe.
There's Chloe, my boyfriend's other cousin, in the back. It's too hot to bring Lila with. It's seriously way too hot. It's 93 degrees outside, and I just didn't want to bring her with because it's very hot. So she's staying at home with her dad. Hopefully we won't be gone that long. But yeah, so here we go. So we made it to the beach.
We're here!
We had to park like 10,000 miles away, so it's going to be a nice little walk there. Not little, it's kind of long, but it's cool. So let's go. We're gonna go walk this trail that's over here.
If Sandy may know.
So they're done at the beach. It's so hot outside, literally almost 100 degrees. It's really crazy. Like, I'm sweating like a pig. Well, anyways, we're gonna head back to my house, and these two want to tan, so they're probably gonna lay in my yard and tan when we get back. So we'll catch you at home. cooking everybody lunch. I just did the dishes, but I'm gonna do some more wifely duties. I'm gonna vacuum the floor. I just switch out the garbages. I'm gonna wipe off the counters once I'm done cooking. But I'm gonna clean up the mess off the floor. There's water bottles, the dogs like to chew on them. So I'm gonna clean up the mess off the floor and then I'm gonna vacuum. So vacuuming is done. We got mac and cheese going. The pizza's almost done. If you're wondering where Lila is, when we were at the beach, she was napping, so she was home with her dad, but she's sitting in her swing. She's being so good. Are you being a good baby? Do you see yourself? Say hi. She's wiggling her little toes down here. She's so cute. Okay, so I just need to put the vacuum away. I'm gonna wipe off the countertops and then I'm gonna sweep the floor. Okay, so the pizza's done. We're gonna get that out of the pizza oven. Looks delicious. Just a stupid little frozen pizza, but still. We're hungry. The mac and cheese is about done. Okay. Yeah, they're almost done. We're gonna cut this pizza. Chloe's, of course, the first one to eat. But we're gonna eat, and I will vlog in a little bit. So we're done eating, including Miss Lila. She had some of her food. What, do you want the camera? She's a little sleepy. We're waiting for her to take a nap. We're just watching TV right now. All of us just sprawled out. Look at how cute she is. Say hi. Say hi. She's sleepy. That's why she has a pacifier in her mouth. She only takes them when she's sleepy. So we're going to try to get her to take a nap. So we're just going to chillax the rest of the day. But we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.